Join me as I dive deep into the future of Sofi stock and try to predict what's next for this investment. Sofi stock has been making waves in the financial world, especially with its unique approach to banking and investing. With its user-friendly app and innovative financial products, Sofi has managed to attract a significant following. But what does the future hold for this stock? That's what we're here to explore. Sofi stock is currently navigating a complex financial landscape. Market volatility has been a challenge, with fluctuations in the stock market affecting investor confidence. Regulatory changes are also a concern, as shifts in government policies can impact Sofi's business model. Moreover, the rise of fintech competitors is pushing Sofi to continuously innovate. And let's not forget the economic uncertainty that can affect consumer spending and investment. The impact of these challenges can't be overstated. For instance, changes in interest rates can directly affect Sofi's lending business. Similarly, new regulations on digital banking can require significant adjustments to their operations. It's a tough environment, but Sofi has shown resilience. The company's focus on providing a comprehensive financial platform could be a game changer. However, it's essential to consider how Sofi is addressing these challenges. The company is investing heavily in technology to stay ahead of the curve. This forward-thinking approach might just give Sofi the edge it needs. We're seeing a lot of potential with their recent product launches. Recent developments have been crucial in shaping Sofi's trajectory. Their latest earnings report showed promising growth, with significant increases in user acquisition and revenue. This is a positive sign, indicating that Sofi's business model is gaining traction. Additionally, strategic partnerships have expanded their reach, allowing them to tap into new markets. These partnerships are more than just a numbers game, they're about creating a robust ecosystem for users. By collaborating with other fintech companies, Sofi is enhancing its offerings. This approach not only diversifies their services but also strengthens their position in the market. The innovation pipeline at Sofi looks robust, with several initiatives aimed at improving user experience. Earnings reports and partnerships are just part of the story. Sofi's commitment to innovation is another critical factor. They're exploring new financial products and services that could drive growth. From cryptocurrency integrations to AI-driven financial tools, Sofi is at the forefront of fintech innovation. The critical insights for Sofi stock are multifaceted. On one hand, the technical analysis suggests potential for growth, with certain indicators signaling a buy. On the other hand, market sentiment is cautious, reflecting the challenges mentioned earlier. Predictions are mixed, with some analysts forecasting a significant uptick in stock value. Turning points for investors to watch include major announcements from Sofi, particularly around product launches or strategic partnerships. Regulatory shifts and economic trends will also play a crucial role. Investors need to stay informed and agile, ready to adjust their strategies as new information emerges. The future of Sofi stock hinges on its ability to execute on its vision. If Sofi continues to innovate and expand its user base, there's potential for substantial growth. However, it's vital for investors to weigh the risks and consider the competitive landscape. Key factors such as market trends, regulatory environment, and Sofi's execution will determine the stock's trajectory. To wrap up, the future of Sofi stock looks promising but uncertain. We've discussed the challenges, recent developments, and critical insights. The main takeaway is that Sofi is well positioned for growth, but investors need to stay vigilant. What are your thoughts on Sofi stock? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you're interested in more investment analysis and insights, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.